3.
Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see a design thinking based approach to measures of central tendency. First let us discuss what is central tendency. Can anyone explain what is measures of central tendency? So what is central tendency means? Typically finding the mean median mode of a particular data. For example, when we want to find what is the mark for what is the average mark or what is the typical mark in a test, or for example what is the food rate around the campus. To find this we will use central tendency. So we are going to discuss about mean, median and mode in this video. So what is mean? Anyone explain?
Well, the mean is the absolute value of a recurrence number, and it is used to find the average value of every single value. So let us assume with an example. Let's say, we are here. There are some people in this table, right? So let's say let's assume that you have the value of 1. So what is the sum of all the people in this table? 7. So the 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. So the mean value is 1. So this is how we can calculate the mean value of the required tables. Yeah.
What about median mark?
Median is the mid-value of the given data. It was calculated by the formula by it was arranged in ascending or in a descending order. We calculate the middle value by the formula, the lowest value plus the highest value divided by 2. It was into two frequency, like 50-50. The highest frequency is above and the lowest frequency is below.
What about mode?
Mode is the value that occurs most frequently in the data set.
For example, if I give you data like 2, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 9, what will be the mode?
2 is a mode. 2 is frequent
2 as well as 9. So both 2 and 9 occur twice.
Yes.
Okay. What will be the empathy part of this? Why do we need to use the central tendencies?
The central tendency, which means it's combined of 3, mode, median and mean. The mode stands for the mean is the average value of the value, and median is the middle value of the data, and mean is mode is also called as the most frequent value.
What's the purpose now? And the purpose is nothing but to calculate the large number of data which represents the single value, to find the average or to find a very critical number for a given data. So what is the formula we are going to use to find mean, median and mode?
First, mean formula is mean equal to sum of the frequency divided by total number of the frequency.
So it can be given by summation xi by n also. Okay. For median?
For median, two-way. First, odd numbers of frequency means n plus 1 by 2, and the even number of frequency means n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2 divided by total number of frequency.
What about mode then?
Mode is the total number of frequency occurred. We calculate frequently.
First we can arrange it in ascending order, and we can check whether how many times the data or the frequency is repeating. So that will be our mode. So okay, how many types of mode are there totally? There are 3 types of modes. One is unimodal, bimodal and multimodal, and no modal is also there. So for unimodal we are having only one mode. For bimodal we are having 2 modes. So for the same data set we are having 2, as I said already, 2 to 8, and we have said 2 and 9. So for 3 multimodal there will be about 3 to 4, 5 modes for the same data set. So no modal is there will be no highest frequencies. So each and every data will be repeated only once. What about next? What's the applications of this?
Applications are like we will use mostly Power BI, analytics, spreadsheet, database management, file system, all these computer. And not only that, mark statement analysis and attendance analysis, everything comes under this central tendency.
Can anyone differentiate between these mean, median and mode?
And first, mode mean is a average value, mode is a middle value, and median is a middle value, mode is a most frequency.
And there is another one differentiation also. Mean is affected by outliers, whereas median is not resistant to outliers, and mode works with categorical data.
And we have another differentiation that mean is used for symmetric distribution, and median is used for skew differentiation, and mode is used for common
Thank you.